I'm Jamie.
And I'm Nate. We are in the Island neighborhood, which is the southwest corner of the Austin community.
And we've lived here for 8 years. It was like a big horseshoe shape, so we had cabinets lining all the way around. There was nowhere for people to sit, so it was an awkward empty space in the middle, but not enough space to actually put a little table or anything for people to sit down.
There was also no dishwasher and no window. There was a glass block window, but not a window that we could open or see out of.
We spent 7 years, almost 8, living in here and seeing the kinds of things that would be nice to have or would make it more functional, and drew some different options, different pictures together, debated about where things should go. And then we started to play with IKEA's cabinet tool, which is a little helpful to see like a 3D layout of the space.
I was concerned we were going to be losing storage space, but it's actually even more space now with the island, with the taller cabinets. It's much more functional and even has more storage space now. We definitely spend more time in the kitchen now together. It's like just a space we hang out in more, whereas before we didn't really hang out in the kitchen. I love that we now have a dishwasher and our kids can put the dishes in the dishwasher and help out more.
17 years of marriage with no dishwasher.
Yeah, that's true.
We could not have done this without our 2 dads. They have tons of experience with plumbing, electrical, cutting holes in brick, taking out windows, that kind of stuff, and they really made this possible.